Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. There is a clear-cut and well-demarcated sphere of activity in the field of crime detection and crime punishment. Full stop. Investigation of an offense is the field exclusively reserved for the executive through the police department. Full stop. The executive, which is charged with a duty to keep vigilance over law and order situation, is obliged to prevent crime, and if an offense is alleged to have been committed, it is its bounded duty to investigate into the offense and bring the offender to book. Full stop. Once it investigates and finds an offense having been committed, it is its duty to collect evidence for the purpose of proving the offenses. Full stop. Once that is completed and the investigating officer submits report to the court requesting the court to take cognizance of the offense under section 190 of the code, its duty comes to an end. Full stop. On a cognizance of the offense being taken by the court, the police function of investigation comes to an end subject to the provision contained in section 173 under bracket 8 of the code, there commences the adjudicatory function of the judiciary to determine whether an offense has been committed, and if so, whether the person or persons charged with the crime by the police in its report to the court, and to award adequate punishment according to law for the offense proved to the satisfaction of the court. Full stop. There is thus a well-defined and well-demarcated function in the field of crime detection and its subsequent adjudication between the police and the magistrate. Full stop. This view of the Judicial Committee clearly demarcates the functions of the executive and the judiciary in the field of detection and crime and its subsequent trial, and it would appear that the power of the police to investigate into a cognizable offense is ordinarily not to be interfered with by the judiciary. Full stop. The principle, therefore, is well settled that it is for the investigating agency to submit a report to the magistrate after full and complete investigation. Full stop. The investigating agency may submit a report finding the allegations substantiated. Full stop. It is also open to the investigating agency to submit a report finding no material to support the allegations made in the first information report. Full stop. It is open to the magistrate concerned to accept the report or to order further inquiry. Full stop. But what is clear is that the magistrate cannot direct the investigating agency to submit a report that is in accord with his views. Full stop. Even in a case where a report is submitted by the investigating agency finding that no case is made out for prosecution, it is open to the magistrate to disagree with the report and to take cognizance, but what he cannot do is to direct the investigating agency to submit a report to the effect that the allegations have been supported by the material collected during the course of investigation, and the police has statutory right to investigate into the circumstances of all alleged cognizable offense without authority from a magistrate, and that power of the police to investigate cannot be interfered with. Full stop.